Hi guys, welcome to OMG Revision. I'm Mr. Larkin from the Maths Department, and today we're going to be looking at a few crossover topics that you'll see in your maths lessons, your geography lessons and your science lessons. So we're going to start with percentage increase. So we're going to read through this question highlighting key information first. So over 10 years, the population of a town has increased by 25%. That's important. The population 10 years ago was 18,000. What is the population of the town now? So first we're going to think about, as a percentage, what is the new population? So we started with 100%. We increased the population by 25%, which means that now the population is 125% bigger. If we have a calculator, which is what we're going to use for the purpose of this, I can convert this to a decimal, and we know that we do this by dividing by 100. So as a decimal, the population increase is 1.25. So if we take the original population, which is 18,000, and with our calculators multiply by 1.25, this will increase the population by 25%. If you type it into calculators, you get 22,500, and that is the new population. Okay, we're now going to look at a percentage decrease problem. So Richard owns a coffee shop, and in February he sold 4,500 hot chocolates. The number of hot chocolates in March, so the next month, was 3% less, so this time we're going down. How many hot chocolates were sold in March? Well, think about this. If he started off with 100% of his hot chocolates, and he's now gone down 3% the following month, as a percentage of last month, he sold 97% hot chocolates, okay? And like we did with increase, we're going to divide this value by 100 to get it into a decimal format. So he sold 0.97 of his original hot chocolates, which, like in our other video, we multiplied by the decimal, okay? When we multiply these, we get 4,365 hot chocolates, and that is how we would calculate that with a calculator. Okay, our final topic on percentages with calculators is percentage change. So Peter's weight decreases from 80 kilograms to 64 kilograms. We've got to figure out what this is as a percentage decrease. So whether it's an increase or decrease, we always find the difference between the two values. We know that difference is the largest number, subtract the smallest number. So it's always going to be that way around. Our denominator of the fraction will be what the original weight was, because it's what percentage has he gone down from this original 80. Okay, so 80 will be our denominator. And then whether it's a fraction or a decimal, if we want to convert that to a percentage, we multiply by 100. Thinking about the etymology of percent is parts of 100. Okay, so if we multiply these together on our calculator, we will get an answer of 20, and we need to express that as a percentage, so his weight decreased by 20%. Thank you guys.